Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to give a brief overview of how I made the book in my waterfall scene. I modeled it and shading and the rig. So let's start to edit mode, see the vertices. So this is just a simple cube, not really much to say. This and also so it's basically two cubes, the one for the cover. So I guess quickly we just scaled it down this and then yeah, in order to make this inside part I have to do it inset on these faces, on side faces, basically these faces here, and this and just delete it. Delete the word. Not to delete it. Basically like this, and then well, it's the best way to do it, but this is how I did it. Probably a better way to do this. Alright, now that we have filled in the verse, you have to fill in the faces now. So we just have to on the edges, face. Yeah. And this face and this. There we go. Filled in all the faces. And we have to fill in this face too. Face. And that's basically the cover of it. And then we just had to put another cube in. Trying to align it. This one was. Something like that. I'm not doing it exactly perfectly, but give you the idea. There's some loop cuts here. I could put in here. Look like this, and then we up this one and then use the V to separate it. Two separate objects. One here and there's one here, right? That's basically for the model, and then here bevels in to make not really bevel, I mean more loop cuts just for also bevel. Basically, I think hit this. I think I could do the vertice bevel. Did I do this before? Yeah. And then put in some new cuts here, just so we can have some edges for it to bend. That's basically the model of it. Look at the model of it. Not much to say. And then the shading. This is exactly the same as the one I did for my bag. When I mounted my bag, it's the exact same nodes, just the color is different. The shadows. This. This. The next, the armature. Also very simple. Let me get out. Delete. This is just the. There's only a few bones here, so they're not the root bone. The bone for the bottom cover, bone for the top cover, and 2 bones here for the spine. And then I also have a control bone for right here, the control bone. So I can easily move both. Open the book. Put a pose mode. Alright, so this is the root bone. Have it in everything. This one, the top. There's also this bottom. This control bone. We open it, it's like this. This has a this has constraints. So basically, I'm going to rotate this bone, and then I'm going to copy the rotation of the control bone. I just have a simple copy rotation for all these, for these 3. That way I can rotate this and right. Pretty. Not much to say about that. And the weight is kind of not straightforward too. I mean, the bottom one just has the bottom part of the book. This one has the top part of the book, weighted sides. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much it for the book. Yeah, I guess I was thinking about putting this, put some text here and here, or make some lines here, but I couldn't really figure out how to do that yet without adding a texture, which I didn't really want to use. I wanted to have visual notes, so I just left it like this. Just keep it simple. And yeah, this is how I made the book. read the book. Alright. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.